Hey everyone, it's Jennifer, and my Hobby Lobby is having their clearance again. So I thought I'd show you the few things that I got. I didn't get very much, but I got a few things. It was the clearance sale in the regular 30% off their yarn. So I went ahead and I got a few things, not that much, but a few things. So the first thing I got was another daily devotional, which I absolutely love. This is it's really nice. They're not very long, they're 1 page long, but I love a good daily devotional, and I got this one. So there's one item. Let me set that out of the way. Hopefully it won't fall like it's going to. I did get a mug. It looks like a cat. It's a gray cat, but that's in the kitchen to be washed. And let's show you the big bag of yarn. So this is the big bag of yarn. Alright, so I got one skein of this. This is Scarfy. Right here, you can see. It's very pretty. This one is color Sea Glass. They only had one skein of Sea Glass. It's very, very pretty. This one is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 349 yards, or 320 meters. It is 43% acrylic, 41% polyester, 9% nylon, and 7% wool. I fell in love with the colors of it. It's just so pretty. But they only had one. I wish they would have had more. This one was on sale for $4.24. I think it says $4.24. There you go. It was reduced quite a bit. So I got the one Sea Glass, and then they had 6 of these ones called Rain, and I really like these. It has the same details, but it's all kinds of blues, and there's a little bit of purple in it. So I got 6 of the Rain. If I don't come across any more Sea Glass, which I love the Sea Glass more, I might just make something and add the Rain in as a stripe or something. But I have 6 Rain and only 1 of the Sea Glass. But that's not bad yardage for having 6 of the Rain. Okay, that's and then I found this. This was discounted. $2.24. It is towel toppers, dishcloths, and pot holders, and of course they are crocheted, but it has some really cute patterns in it. Not that I really need patterns and stuff, but I thought they were super cute, in my opinion. I thought it might come into handy, you know, maybe making a couple of pot holders or dishcloths for my kitchen. And you've got the square ones in here, and you don't ever have to make them the color that they are. You can do whatever colors you want. Obviously I would do colors that match to my kitchen. I think there's another set. That one's really, look at that one. I like that. Bright colors. I like bright colors in my kitchen. And of course then they have a subdued gray set. They're all fairly easy skill level, it seems. I thought they were really nice, but there are all of them right there on the back. And the price was right. I thought that was really good. I thought that was pretty good. Not that I necessarily needed the patterns, but it was a good, you know, nice book. So let me put all these yarns back in here. That's all that's in this bag. I got more in another bag. I'm tying it close because of the cats. They like the fuzzy yarn. And yes, that Scarfy is very fuzzy, but I thought it would be nice and soft I don't know if I'm going to make a sweater or amigurumi or what I'm going to make. I saw this little guy and I had to have him. He's not my first Thai frog. His name is Snapper, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, his name is Snapper, and he's super cute. Yeah, I had to have another one. I know, frogs everywhere. I got some thread, unusual for me. It was reduced to $1.49. Got this beautiful bright light blue. I was thinking that would be really pretty to make some Barbie clothes out of. I don't know, I just thought that was really pretty. The details on this is it's 350 yards. It's number 10 crochet thread, which is, of course, 100% mercerized Egyptian cotton. It's really soft, but it's very pretty blue. So I got that. I did find a spool of tulle. It's confetti glitter is what the thing is called. Oh, you can kind of see the glitter in there. There is 12 yards on here, and it was reduced to $1.49. I thought this would be good for under a Barbie dress, so I thought that would be a cool idea. So I got that one. I did get an alligator clip for the hair that was pink, and I found these hair clips. These are so cute. Oh, I love them. Yeah, that's very froggy. Just saying. This is my clearance item. I got, oh yeah. I found a deck of playing cards for 44 cents. They are the Yarnology playing cards. I thought these were so cool. I don't know if any of you have ever bought them or if you've ever seen them. But I will show them to you. Give them away. Here's the Joker. It's a bee. But look at the ace. And see, it's knitted. It's yarn. That's super cool. That's not the only one. If you go and you look at the other cards, like, this gives you an idea of what it's like. It looks like that. So you have it in the shape of the aces, the diamonds. Let me find you a club. Even the clubs have that same knitted pattern in it. So that was super cute. I like that. I don't know. For 44 cents, it was a pretty good deal. Especially when they are yarn related. And, you know, I like all things yarn related. So I like that. Then you'll see in another video the pattern I have in mind for these. These were not on clearance, but they were on sale. Okay, stop it. Leave the yarn alone. I got a skein of Stork Struck in the color Naked. It's 3.5 ounces, 208 yards. I really like it. Yeah, it's 208 yards. It's a cream color, and I do have a pattern in mind for this. It is obviously Baby Bee. I do have a yarn project in mind for it. It is it's like an anti-pilling acrylic. Then I got Baby Bee Soft and Sleek in a low pill fiber. This one is 4 ounces or 186 yards. Where is the name of this one? I know it's on there somewhere. Baby Sage is the color of this one. Now I got 2 of the Baby Sage, but I only needed 1 of the natural. So I have a project in mind for this, which I'll be showing in another video. And you see my cat is like all about what's going on here. And I got one more item from the clearance, which was so cute. This was marked on clearance, and it's super cute. I can't remember. I took the tag off it. I can't remember if it's $2.99 or not. But it zips open. I don't trust this zipper to last long, but I like the accessories that were inside of it. So inside of it, you got stitch markers, a row counter, which I don't like, and a plastic tapestry needle. I only use the plastic if I can't find a metal one. You do have some clips. These are good for holding pieces together. If you don't have like needles, glass ball head needles. But these are just the one things that I love. They're so cute. There is a needle gauge, which is so cute. And then there is a crochet hook gauge, which is so cute. So, like on the bee theme, here's a beehive and a bee. Those were super cute, you know. And who doesn't need extra stitch markers? I mean, I lose them all the time. And it does have some jumbo ones. I don't know if you could tell, but that was so cute. And it really didn't cost much of anything. I'm going to use the bag as long as I can. I'm hoping that zipper stays on there. Hubby says he'll be able to hook it back on if it comes off. We'll find out. Hopefully it won't come off, but we'll find out. But it just, plastic zip stays closed. And it's got the cute little bee theme. So that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. Had a lot of fun. It was enjoyable. I enjoyed going through everything. They did have a few yarns on clearance that I wasn't really interested in. You know, they had some thick and thin that was clearance down to $1. They had quite a bit of it. I just wasn't into that. And I didn't see any of their cotton on clearance. It doesn't mean it wasn't. It just means I didn't see any of it, and it might have been picked through. But hopefully you guys got some good Hobby Lobby clearance. You know, I like what I got. I wasn't going there just to see what clearance yarns I could get. I was going for that green and cream color, so I hope you guys find some fun clearance stuff. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.